Today's video is going to be, I think, the last in the Battlebox catch-up series where we're looking at battle boxes I missed in 2023 because I was too busy. This one is Mission 107, and that's what's coming up next here on Survival on Purpose. Welcome back to Survival on Purpose. My name is Brian. Thanks for joining me for, as I said, what I think is the last Battlebox catch-up video from the battle boxes I missed in 2023 from doing a remodel at my house. I say I think so because I may find another one somewhere in the jungle that is my backyard. Oh yeah, I read the comments. But if not, this will be the last one. We'll be back on track. And so I did this a little different. I took the stuff out of the boxes. Already got it staged to come up here so I don't waste your time unpacking stuff. It gives me more time to ramble with it. Battlebox, as you may know, is a mystery box, subscription box. You give them some money, they send you some stuff. The more money you give them, the more stuff they send you. When you get it, it's a surprise. You don't know what's in there. Like Christmas every month that you pay for. So there's 4 levels. At every level, you give them a little more money, you get a little more stuff. We're going to talk about that right now. I'm not going to talk about pricing because if you're watching this channel, I know you're smart enough to use Google, and you can go to battlebox.com. There's a link in my video description, and you can look at this other stuff up individually if you need to, because prices change anyway. That being said, there are 4 levels. We're going to talk about the first level right now. And, oh, one more little bit of rambling, if you will indulge me. I was really rushing through the last few videos trying to get this catch-up stuff done and not waste your time and just not ramble a lot. I'm just going to take a deep breath now, if you don't mind. And we're going to calm things down a little bit. And this is the last one, so we're kind of at the home stretch. The ball's over the fence, and we're jogging towards home. So we're still going to follow the Joe Friday, just the facts only, but we're going to be calmer, more peaceful Joe Friday. So now we'll get back to the video. Sorry. So at the basic level, the first item in there is this nose slap, and it's a maximum strength smelling salts with essential oils. And the ingredients of this thing are sodium carbonate, ammonium chloride, peppermint essential oil, water, and polysorbate 20. So I don't know if this is useful or not. I don't, you used to see the old movies and they'd say, oh, Harold, and whatever. But my son is an EMT and paramedic in training. And so I'll ask him if they actually have any medical use, if they use anything like this or not. But that's what it is. Apparently somebody thinks it's a good idea. The next item in the basic box is the Uberleben Tender TP. And I didn't take this out of the box completely because I think it's got a cool box. But also because if I took it out of the box, it'd be a very time consuming. So there's 3 of them in here. These are little triangles. You put them together. They're wooden birchwood triangles. You put them together with little birchwood clips, and you set them on fire. That's a picture of what they look like, sort of on fire. Probably a carefully crafted picture. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. I think that's cool because it's fire, right? The next item in the basic box is a Wicked Wax cutting edge protection, is what it says. And it is just what they would probably call a proprietary blend of natural waxes. It says it's 100% food safe and all natural, no chemicals, easy to apply, no heating required. So this is just a protectant. You can put it on metal to keep it from rusting, axes, knives, whatever, saw blades, leather, vinyl, I don't know, whatever you want to put it on, wood. It's just a protectant. Pretty cool there. The final item in the basic box, I said I wasn't going to ramble, didn't I? It's something that is near and dear to my heart. I really sincerely mean this. You're going to think, when you see it, you're going to say, what's wrong with this dude? You probably already do. The Free Key Slim System from Exotac. This is the absolute best key rings ever designed and made in the entire known universe. I promise you. I know it doesn't make sense for a grown man over 60 years old to get excited about a key ring, but I really like these key rings. So that's what's on my keys are on right now. So that's everything in the basic level box. The next level is the advanced level, and the advanced level, you pay them more money and you get more stuff. This month, the more stuff is this dead fish ulu, and man, would you look at that? It's a traditional Scandinavian design that they've made into a full tang, and they usually it's used for food prep because you can do a lot of good chopping and fine carving. Also used for skinning because you just really got a lot of control with it. You can choke up like this, you can hold it back like this, but you can really get a good grip on it. And it's not out here like a lever. So pretty cool there. I like it. It's got a really nice, fancy looking leather sheath maybe I can put back in here without slicing my hands. That's always one of my goals, is to not slice myself. Okay. And there you go. Pretty cool, I think. So that's the advanced box. The next level is the pro box. Say it with me: more money, more stuff. And in Mission 107, that stuff is the Solo Stove Titan wood burning gasifier stove. And you see, it's a gasifier stove. Air comes in here, comes out here. You put your wood in here, and you get it on fire, and it creates this gasifier effect. So it more completely burns the smoke and the gas that's coming off the fire, and also kind of a chimney effect goes on there. It comes with this top that goes on it. You can feed it through here. If you put a pot on top like this, you can feed it with some small twigs through there. The good thing about these stoves are you put really small wood in them, and they're very efficient. Kind of like a portable campfire too. So pretty cool there. Solo Stove has a great reputation in the outdoor industry. They make good stuff. And then finally, the Pro Plus level is the top level. You pay them more money and you get more stuff. It's usually something sharp. This month, the something sharp is quite honestly really cool. So here it is. This is made by Battlbox in concert with the designer for this knife, Doug Marcaida. Say it with me: it will kill. Chuck Norris can build a Lego Millennium Falcon in 5 minutes out of Lincoln logs. The only information I have on it's made out of 420 steel. Other than that, it's got a nice leather sheath. But Doug Marcaida, that might be all you need to know. It's pretty cool. It's individually serialized, by the way. It's 4188 of 6500. And that is the Pro Plus box. So I try to pick out a couple items from every month that are my favorites. I'd be interested in hearing what your favorites are down below, if you have any. But obviously today, this month, 107, my favorite is this, Doug Marcaida. What are they calling this? A Serbian cleaver, the Grande Fratello. Whatever you want to call it, it's really cool. And this is my number one pick. But I get that is from the most expensive level, the Pro Plus, and so very often it is one of my favorites because they're usually pretty cool knives. But I have to say, one of my other big favorites right there, it's a basic level, this Free Key Slim System. It may be the least expensive thing in here. I don't know, but it is absolutely one of the most helpful. And then also from the basic level, this Tender TP is really, really cool. Not that the other stuff isn't, but just kind of trying to mix it up a little bit. So again, I'd be interested in hearing your thoughts on this stuff, which one you like the most. If you like these videos, you don't like them, whatever. Anyway, I really appreciate you watching Survival on Purpose. Thanks for clicking that subscribe button and those like buttons and leaving comments and all that stuff that makes the algorithm happy. I really appreciate it. Remember,